Hello children, I welcome you again to the math class. So this is the second period for today. So today is 23rd of July 2021 and today is Friday. So we are continuing with the same book children, that is Mental Maths, and with division unit 5. We have learned many things about division till now. We have done many sums. Yes. So in today's class we will do long division, that is in page number 51. So before moving to the sums from the book, let us see first what is dividend, divisor, quotient and remainder. We have done this in the last class also children. I have shown you the video where I have taught you about divisor, dividend, remainder and quotient, right? So children, here 25 is divided by 3. Okay, the question is 25 is divided by 3. So 25, you can see it is the largest number here. So dividend is always a larger number. Okay, so the number which has to be divided is known as dividend. So dividend is always a larger number and it has to be divided by divisor. Now next, divisor is a number which will divide. So divisor is a number which will divide the dividend. Okay, and the answer we get, it is known as quotient. So here you can see 25 is being divided by 3. Yes, so 25 is dividend, 3 is divisor and 3 8s are 24. 8 is a quotient. And when we subtract it, we know that 25 minus 24 is 1. So this 1 will be remainder. Okay, hope it is clear to you. The number which will be divided, the largest number in the sum is dividend. The number which will divide the dividend is known as divisor. And the answer we get is known as quotient, and the leftover, after subtracting the leftover number, is known as remainder. So let us do the sums for today, that is long division. So in each of the following, write what does the circle number stands for. A has been done for you. You can see divisor, dividend and quotient is given here. They haven't talked about remainder. We have to find out the circle number, if it is divisor, if it is dividend or if it is a quotient. So let us do today's work. So 8, yes, 8 is here dividing 16. So what is it? It is a divisor. So here you will write divisor. So here you can write D-I-V-I-S-O-R, divisor. Here you can write divisor. Okay, now next children, here 24 has been circled. So 24 is the greatest number, yes, which has been divided by 6. So here 24 in place of 24. What is 24? It is dividend. Yes, so dividend or dividend, you will write here D-I-V-I-D-E-N-T, dividend. Okay, now next number D, 49 is circled, which is the greatest number, and it should be divided by 7. So 49 is also a dividend. So we will write dividend here. D-I-V-I-D-E-N-D, dividend. Okay. Now number 9, number E. 9 has been circled. This 9 is dividing 36. So this is also a divisor. So you will write here divisor. D-I-V-I-S-O-R, divisor. Okay children, I have done till E. Okay, I will do F also. See, F here, this is divisor. You know that 3 5s is 15. So the answer you got is 5. Yes, 3 times 5. So 5 is a quotient, right? So you will write here quotient. Q U O T-I-E-N-T, quotient. So in this way you will also do, children, you will also do G, H and I. This is your homework. So next, children, Spaghetti spider will bite. You can see the spider is there and all the box that have number exactly divisible by 5 written on them. So circle the box which she will not bite. So you can see that Spaghetti spider is there and it will bite the number, the box which will be directly divided by 5, and it will not bite the number which is not divided by 5. Okay, so we know that for the number which should be divisible by 5, it has either 0 at last, either 5. Okay, so we will see the first bug, it is 37, so it will not be divided by 5 because it has not 5 or 0 in the ones position, so you will circle 37. 41 also will not be divided by 5 directly because it has 1. I have already told you the number should have 0 or it should have 5 in the ones position to get divided by 5. So 50, 5 tens are 50, so it will be divided by 5 exactly, so we will not circle. Now 47 will also not be divided by 5 directly, so we will circle 47. 25 will be divided by 5, so we will not circle. 20 will be divided by 5. 5 fours are 20, we will not circle that. 30 will be also divided by 5. 5 6 are 30, so we will not circle that. 45 will be also divided by 5. 5 9s are 45. Now next is 16, which will not be divided by 5 directly. 13, which will not be divided by 5 directly. 85 will be divided by 5 because it has 5 in the ones position, right? 10 and 15 will also divided by 5. 5 2s are 10 and 5 3s are 15. So I have circled the bugs which the spider will not bite. Now next, children, we will do word problems from page number 52. So let us solve the following word problems. So let us read the question number 1A. 20 lollipops to be put into 4 packets. How many lollipops would be there for in one packet? So how many lollipops are there? There are 20 lollipops. So we will write 20 first. Yes, and how many packets are there? There are 4 packets. So it will be divided by 4. So what will be our question? 4 5s are 20. So how many packets will be there? How many lollipops will be there in one packet? There will be 5 lollipops in one packet. Now there are 66 cars. How many groups of 6 cars can be made? So we will divide 66 with 6. 66 divided by 6 equals to 6. 11s are 66. So our answer is we can group the cars into 11. Okay, if we group the cars into 6, so there will be 11 groups of 6 cars. So next, how many weeks are there in 56 days? So 56, we know that there are 7 days in 1 week. Yes, there are 7 days in 1 week. So what we will do? We will divide 56 divided by 7. So 7 8s are 56. So there will be 8 weeks in 56 days. Okay. Now number D and number E is your homework. Okay, you will do number D and number E by yourself. Okay, so children, whatever we did today, hope it is clear to you all. I will see you in the next class. Thank you everyone.